Good evening, good evening. So, first off, I want to thank Rizal K4GDJ, K4GDJ, and because he actually reminded me of this feature. And I've been kicking myself in the butt because I had an aeronautical contact, but I was not quick in writing it down in my log. So he's like, "Hey man, didn't it record?" And then I was like, man, I want to get him in my log because, man, that was actually pretty cool. And I was using the Faraday cloth J-pole. So, I mean, that's actually pretty cool. So here it is. Let's see what we got.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is Whiskey 1, Sierra Romeo Romeo, Whiskey 1, Sierra Romeo Romeo, calling CQ, CQ, CQ. Parks on the air. Whiskey 1, Sierra Romeo Romeo, Kilo Delta 2, Victor Uniform, Quebec Aeronautical. All right, let me get the call sign again, the aeronautical unit. Kilo Delta 2, Victor Uniform, Quebec Aeronautical.
Oh, so cool. So cool.
All right, Kilo Delta 2, Vic.
So I got him in the log. But he was 5'9", and he obviously heard me at the park. And man, I just like super excited to get this contact because of the antenna that I was using. I mean, it's a cloth antenna. It's cloth. Up in a tree. Faraday. That Faraday, man, that's a pretty good antenna, I'll tell you what. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys on what the IC-705 can do. In case you forget that call sign, you can always go back to the recording. Anyway, 70 trees, W1SRR.